Hi, welcome back to Postpack CH channel. Today we are going back to Python series. Today we are going to see the two simple programs. Simple programs uh, for solving like that. What to say? Sorry, for solving natural numbers and as well as the multiplication table. Okay, these are come under the category of Python programming, problem solving in Python. Let's see the program here. So, due time being, I already executed. So, I'm going to show the program and explain also. Open the program. For example, so desktop I have. Desktop program name is m.py. Okay, so what you want to do now, I have to create the develop how to generate the multiplication table. So for this one you should be have knowledge of multiplication and as well as the for loop. So just under the user, once the program completes, user had to give some number. Based on number and range operator, range function will print the answer. So first step is num is equal to int of int input number. So we are the user. After ending we have to enter some number. For example, q10, it will generate 10th multiplication table and print multiplication table of comma num. Then for I in range of 1 comma 11, then print num comma x, then I comma is equal to comma num into I. That means multiplication. So number into multiplication. So presently I set the range of 1 comma 11. That means from 1 to 11 it will print the table. If you want, you can change the table 11 1 comma 15, 1 comma 20 as you like that. So now we'll execute this small program for generate the multiplication table. So just I already told you, you can run the coding here. So run model F5. So I'm going to type some number here. I'm going to just enter the 5, just check it. So it will enter, generate the multiplication table 1 to 1 comma 11 range function given. So it's a way of create the multiplication table. Now we'll go to another program called natural number. So natural number, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. We can do multiple ways. So I already done the program. Just to open the program name is desktop. I have n.py. Just to open. So says open. So already you have basic knowledge of if statement and the if else and also while loop. So I'm going to enter the first step. Num is equal to 10. By default, as a user, I'm to give the input of 10. If you want, you can change 5, 7, anything. Then I'm giving the statement if number less than 0, print enter a positive number. Suppose if you give negative or any minus value to say or error, then I'm giving sum is equal to 0. Then you while loop to iterate until 0. So while num greater than 0 and colon, then sum plus equal to num. That see, these are all are similar to C language, only just we are writing the logic in the Python coding. So sum plus equal to num, that means sum is equal to sum plus num value, then sum hyphen 0 sum underscore is equal to 1, then print the sum is comma sum. So finally print the answer, will check it. So just we are doing, so generally sum value start from 0 and up to the number, which number you presented, up to that will generate the natural, that is a total number, total of natural number here. So as usually now, if you want to run, you can use the run model. So I can give run model and the execute here, the sum is 55. So where if you want, you can manually cross n into n plus 1 by 2, sorry, n into n plus 1 by 2. There's a formula for natural number. So it will generate the part the value given, for that will generate successfully create the sum of series value. Okay, this is the small two basic program and Python where it used to and come under the category of problem solving in Python. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.